Veterans, what's the strangest thing you did to pass time during deployment? During my second tour in Afghanistan, our FOB went 3 weeks without internet after a sandstorm took out the satellite. By day 4, we were desperate for entertainment. That's when Sergeant Miller discovered an abandoned storage container filled with hundreds of empty water bottles. What started as boredom quickly evolved into Bottle Battalion, a full-scale tactical competition using water bottles as bowling pins. We set up elaborate courses, created scoring systems, and even fashioned medals from MRE packaging. The tournament got so competitive that our platoon leader, who initially thought we'd lost our minds, established official rules. Teams had to qualify with bottle-throwing accuracy before entering the championship bracket. The finals were scheduled during a rare visit from a full-bird colonel. We thought we'd have to cancel, but when he saw our elaborate setup, he asked, "What's the buy-in?" He ended up staying 2 hours and taking 3rd place. The strangest part, when the internet came back, nobody cared. We were too invested in our championship series. Our lieutenant actually delayed mission briefings so matches could finish. When we rotated home, Miller smuggled the championship bottle back to the States. It sits in a display case in his living room with a bronze plaque that reads, "Operation Enduring Boredom, 2011. I still get texts from guys in my unit when they're having a bad day. Just a photo of a water bottle standing alone. Military brotherhood forms in the strangest way.